In this video, I'm going to try to straighten out the J10 cab. If you look at the cab, you can see it's crinkled here, and there's a really big gap. And it's closer to the bed here than it is here, so the whole cab is actually leaning back. So I need to be able to push this forward somehow, and maybe when I do that I can get this door unstuck, and then maybe we can pull that pillar out and it would straighten all this out. Well, before I start trying to straighten on anything, I want to try to get this trim off that's left around the windshield and preserve it. It's hard to get, and kind of don't want to tear it up. Maybe somebody else can use it. First, I'm going to get this old windshield the rest of the way out and clean it up, just so I'm not working around like broken glass and stuff so much. I need to get new wiper blades for this.
Yeah, you can't have a dirty windshield or a wet one.
Or a windshield. I want to drive this piece of wood in here, and hopefully it'll push the cab forward, maybe enough to get this door out of a bind. Maybe we can get the door open.
Hey!
Right. Hey, look. More poop.
Where?
Oh, you gotta look real hard for it. So I'm just using a floor jack and 2x4s and a 1x6, trying to press this roof out. If it puts too much pressure on the floor sometimes, I actually put something like a jack in between the floor and the asphalt just to kind of support the floor.
It's like you're pushing that whole point up. It's not flattening out at all.
I worked on this off and on for many days actually, and but this day I decided to take a time-lapse video, and it was probably the day I made the most progress on it, but I spent all day long working on this thing. Okay, so we're trying to straighten this cab out on this J10, and it is really tweaked, and I know this probably isn't right. Okay, it's not right way to do it, but I'm going to do it this way. So I have my Jeep and a winch, attach this 2x4 here, and it's wedged between the cab and the roll bar. And you're laughing, you'll say, yeah, there's no way. Well, when we first got this truck, you couldn't open this door. Now it opens with ease. And I had a piece of wood jammed in here just to get it to open at all. Well, by pulling on it like this, I've actually straightened it up enough where the door opens pretty good. But if you look here, like the window frame, or the actual door frame is bent still, and so we need to bring it forward some more, and so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to bring it forward a little bit more. I did it as much as I could yesterday, and it started dragging the truck, the XJ did, and so what I've done today is I have attached my Tundra to it, hoping to, I don't know, create a little bit more drag and hopefully keep it from, moving. But we'll see how this goes. kind of scared to stand too close to it. Let's see, it's moving the cab forward. Quite a bit. Okay, that's all the pressure released. Okay, so now I'm going to pull forward on this window frame or door frame. Somewhere out there there's a body guy screaming no, but I did it on the other side and it seemed to work pretty good. So hopefully it doesn't bust out the Okay, I got real tight. I'm going to roll that window down. Alright, so I had to do some work to be able to get the window to roll down, like all the mechanism, the crank and all that's tore up. This rail is bent inside the door, I guess from when the door is smashed down. In fact, you can see here the door itself is bent down. So anyways, it was a pain in the butt to get the window down, but now I can try to straighten this frame. Okay, so all right, here's the progress we've made with the J10 so far, and I'm trying to straighten the cab out a little bit. You can see, I mean, it's Ripley, but it is pushed out for the most part, probably about where I'm going to leave it. Also, this door you could not open at all. I mean, that's like zero effort. So, got the doors opening and closing pretty good. And as long as it'll accept a windshield, I don't really know that there's any point in straightening it out more. Then I might actually feel bad about damaging it. So I think we'll probably just leave it the way it is.
I guess we'll see in the future if I can get a windshield in it. I've gone on the internet and searched full-size Jeep forums looking for the specs for the windshield opening, but have not been able to find it. But I do get told that I'll never be able to get a windshield to fit in it again. Being told though that I can't do it has made me want to try even harder. A lot of people have also just told me to put plexiglass in it, and I absolutely do not want to go down that road. It scratches easy, and I plan on getting mud on it and then using the windshield wipers, and it's going to get all scratched up and limbs dragged across it, and it's just a way I don't want to go. And if anybody watching this does have a cab that they can go out and measure the windshield opening on, if you wouldn't mind measuring it and sending me the measurements, that would be awesome. I really would appreciate it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and continue watching these videos if you want to see a little bit more progress in the future on this Jeep. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe.